Welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, folks. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Look at this skyline. That is cool. Today's adventure, the city of Greensboro. Not too far from Raleigh, maybe an hour or so. Closer to Winston-Salem. Let's check out the town. Turn here onto Washington Street. Looks like you got some history here. Just based off that house. Looks like it's good. Seen a couple decades, centuries, excuse me. Let's check it out. We got a little Wells Fargo ATM here. A bunch of this looks like some government buildings based off the cars, maybe, or city. Not sure. We're here at Eugene and Washington. Crossing over Eugene. Hello. I wonder what that building is there with the huge flag antenna pole there. Just to the right. Huh. Don't know. It looks like people maybe house out of there or live there or something. You can see that some of the windows are open and lights on. And it's a weekend, so I don't know. Probably business though. Let's say business is technology, Greensboro something. I don't know what that said. I missed it. Oh, we're turning here on to South Elm Street. This is a cool downtown. Got a bunch of artwork on the road here. What does it say? Can't read it. Crossing over February 1. That lady's got a pizza. Sounds scrumptious. So here we are at Market Street. We're in downtown's area. Obviously. We didn't pick that up on that one. Buildings over here, look at that. Those are like apartments, but they look really old. Oh, that's awesome. A Cadillac service garage here. Whoa! He's a runner, he's a truck star. He's hauling tail. Kind of on the outskirts of downtown now. Looks like got a regional airport here. M&F Bank. Wonder what that stands for. There's a big water tower. That's cool. North Carolina's beautiful, beautiful state. A lot of history here. You can just Google like top 30 things to do, and it's just cool stuff. Like they have a Shell gas station in Winston-Salem. It's no longer in operation. It's a historical marker, but it's from the 1930s, and it's like a big shell, like a shell, like an orange shell, a clam shell. So that's cool. Guys, come on. It's green. Quit chapping. Just kidding. They were talking about something and laughing. Having a good old time here in Greensboro. What is this place? Don't know. No sign. City Boulevard. The population here was like 300,000 folks, 299,000 last count. It doesn't, I mean, the downtown's big enough to support that, I feel like. Not to support that business-wise, but you just kind of get a feel between downtown sizes and, you know, general populations and things like that. But I wonder how spread out it is, because it just doesn't. We're just minutes from downtown, and it seems we're, you know, kind of almost out of Greensboro. I feel like, but I could completely be wrong, which I usually am. But yeah, a lot of people walking around tonight. A lot of hills here, and I think there's a lot of ice here as well. Winter climax seasons. So we've got neighborhoods just left and right of these roads here. See some residential housing here to the right. Crossing over Ardmore. The YMCA is straight ahead.